In India, almost all geoclimatic regions are represented, and when foreign species are brought into the country for gardening and all, sooner or later these alien plants can end up in one of other location where it is conducive for them to escape and survive naturally. And this particular species, it's one of the garden plant only. With you can see it in nurseries and all. The species name I don't know. It has thick like succulent leaves, and it has escaped from some this garden over there, those people's garden. And settled in this wall quite well. And so this niche, which is actually ideal for many of the very important and beautiful native plants, is now getting occupied by this alien species. So if you get any of these foreign plants, sooner or later they get distributed by the gardening trade to nurseries in every remote corner of the country. And if the plant lands up in a place where it is nearby to its natural original home, the climatic conditions, then it can escape from the gardens and then go wild and then become a competition for our own native species. This is one good example of that. So the process of invasive ecology and garden escapees I have explained. Why it's so dangerous to get these foreign plants, and better to provide look after, grow your own country's plants and your own region's plants. And then otherwise the normal occupants of this kind of situation is this Asyastica gangeticum is one species, very good species. Then also another species is there that ಅದು ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೇಸಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಗಿಡ ಇದೆ, ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಇದು so this kind of niche this wall provides is good for. This is one of our rare native species, but now it has competition in the form of that one.